The wood lathe machine is one of the most important and versatile machines used in woodworking. It is specially designed to shape wood by rotating it at high speed while cutting tools are applied to its surface. In a wood lathe machine, the wooden workpiece is fixed between the headstock and the tailstock. Once the machine starts, the wood begins to rotate smoothly. The craftsman then uses different turning tools, such as chisels and gouges, to cut, shape, and smooth the wood. Wood turning is widely used in furniture manufacturing and handicraft production. With the help of a wood lathe machine, items like table legs, chair legs, wooden handles, bowls, pillars, and decorative objects can be produced with high accuracy and symmetry. One of the biggest advantages of a wood lathe machine is precision. It allows the operator to create perfectly round and balanced shapes that are very difficult to achieve by hand. At the same time, it increases productivity and saves time, making it ideal for both small workshops and large industries. There are different types of wood lathe machines available today. Manual wood lathes are commonly used by traditional craftsmen, while automatic and CNC wood lathes are used in modern industries for mass production. CNC wood lathe machines offer higher speed, consistency, and accuracy with minimal human effort. Safety is very important when working with a wood lathe machine. Proper protective equipment such as safety glasses and gloves should always be used. The tools must be sharp and the workpiece should be securely fixed before starting the machine. In conclusion, the wood lathe machine plays a vital role in woodworking.